Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today it's really sunny out, so we're gonna take advantage of this beautiful day. But also, since we've had the rain pretty much like the last few months, something really awesome is happening right now here in California and some other places as well. So we're gonna take a look at the Superbloom. We lucked out on some really good weather today here at the Poppy Reserve. I'll put the link in the description in the corner here if you want to see my adventure from last year. But the wildflowers are really blooming this year. It's pretty neat. have this year's blooms of wildflowers and poppies. Now mostly within the reserve are just the wildflowers and some poppies, but like within certain areas here and there. The field of poppies that we saw towards the end there is actually in the field just outside of the reserve. If you do go and visit, please be mindful, don't trample on them, don't sit, or even don't pick them, as the seeds within those flowers are what will become next year's blooms. Now the Poppy Reserve is about an hour and a half drive from Los Angeles, so it is a drive getting up there, but definitely worth it to see all the amazing blooms. Thank you so much again for joining me on this adventure. I hope you had a really good and relaxing time. Do come back next week because I have a whole new adventure, so you do not want to miss out on that. If you do have any suggestions of places you'd like us to visit, let me know and you may just see it here on the channel. And with that, thank you once again. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.